Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a GMC Sierra tire. First, ensure you have all necessary tools: a jack, a lug wrench, and your fully inflated spare tire. Safety is paramount, so park your truck on a level, stable surface, well away from any moving traffic. Always engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the tire diagonally opposite the one you are changing. Now, with your lug wrench, loosen each lug nut about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them yet, just break them free. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated jacking point on your Sierra's frame, close to the flat tire. Begin to raise the vehicle slowly and steadily until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. With the truck lifted, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts and carefully take the flat tire off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Next, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Slide the spare tire onto the studs, ensuring it sits flush against the hub. Then, hand tighten all the lug nuts onto the spare until they are snug. Now, slowly lower your GMC Sierra until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. This allows the tire to grip for final tightening. Use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern, ensuring even pressure. Finally, lower the truck completely, remove the jack, and store all your tools and the flat tire safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.